Join the Hello Win Forum, where NINZA family traders come together to explore valuable trading knowledge and products. Click the link in the description to get started.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be combining two indicators. King Order Block, which is order block designed specifically for the King Renko bar, and Kingdom, which is basically a visual representation of the Superdome. It keeps track of how many buy and sell orders coming in, and then it gives you a nice visual diagram here based on the waves and the gauge. We can see who is trying to be in control, the buyers or the sellers. This indicator also has a tool that would take a trade automatically once the buy-sell ratio is met. Whatever you put in the settings, once that ratio is met, the tool has the ability to automatically take a long or a short trade. The setup would look something like this. Let's say we are reaching a resistance area identified by King Order Block. I will then want to see if there are more selling than buying orders coming into the market, with the idea that if there are more selling orders at a resistance area, that resistance area will probably hold and price should come down. That's where I'm going to be taking a short. The opposite for a long, if we are at a support area identified by King Order Block, I would want to see more buying orders coming in, again hoping that the support area holds and price will go higher. I will automate the Kingdom indicator to take a trade as soon as a certain amount of buyers are coming in. In other words, I will set the Kingdom indicator to take the trade in full automation. Let's say in the case of a long, if there are more buyers, a certain ratio of buyers to sellers, then the indicator is going to take a long in full automation. I will only use longs only or shorts only, depending on if price is near support or resistance. Alright, so King Order Block is finding an area of support here where there was buying coming in. So I'm now going to see if Kingdom would identify a situation where buying orders are overwhelming selling orders. Now, to be honest, I'm not sure what the ratio is set at, so if the ratio is too high, it will not fire a trade automatically, and I really want to take a long here, so I might take manual long on this trade and then see what the settings are for the ratio. I prefer for myself 2 times. I'm not sure what the default is, but I prefer for the ratio to be 2. Yeah, so I'll take a manual long here.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Alright, so here is King Order Block finding a zone. Let's see price coming to that zone and activate the long side.
Order submitted.
Here we go. So as soon as buying came in, as soon as it identifies buying coming in the zone, takes a long. I'm going to bring my stop here. I don't want it to be too much below the zone. Over here. So Kingdom took this in full automation. As soon as I'm going to now deactivate the long side. So I was interested only in the long side because King Order Block identified a buying area. So I'm only interested in longs at this point. So I reduced the ratio to 2 to 1. In other words, it took the trade, Kingdom took the trade because buying orders outnumbered selling orders 2 to 1 at that moment when the trade triggered. Okay, so now we have some resistance area here, so I'm just going to close this trade
Order
out.
cancelled.
I'm going to close this trade out because now there is a resistance area coming in. Now it's right on top of the buying area. In other words, it's right on top of support, so I'm not going to do anything here. Don't want to take a short either. So just going to wait now. Alright, so now we are entering this resistance area identified by King Order Block. So I'm going to try and activate the
Order
short side.
submitted.
Okay, so Kingdom now identifies 2-to-1 ratio of selling orders as opposed to buying orders coming in right at the zone. So that gives me confidence that this area should be able to hold, because we have more sellers than buyers at this point, at least, coming in. So these two indicators seem to work well together. King Order Block identifies, support resistance areas. And then Kingdom identifies if indeed there are more buyers or sellers in those areas. And if you choose to, you can take them in full automation.
Target filled.
Here we go. So now I'm going to deactivate the short side and just wait. If we come into here again, I might reactivate the short side again just to see. As long as this holds, they will go lower. So they're coming back in. So I can activate the short side again. Let's see if we have...
Order submitted.
There we go. So once again, more sellers than buyers in this area. More selling orders, I should say, than buying orders in this area.
Order submitted.
Okay, I'm going to close this.
Order submitted.
Alright, so they're coming back into this area again, but as long as there are more sellers than buyers, they will not be able to get through it. So I'm going to activate the short side again. Let's see if Kingdom can identify more sellers
Order
than buyers.
submitted.
Yeah, because as long as that's the case, that they're not breaking through this resistance, so I can just keep on taking shorts. By the way, if you're enjoying this demonstration of Kingdom and King Order Block, you can leave me a like. I would appreciate it. Just let NINZA know that you're interested in this kind of content. I think there will be a live webinar coming up, maybe next week, featuring these two indicators working together.
Join the Hello Win Forum and enjoy exclusive member benefits. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to get started.